Good morning, everybody. We are going to listen to our last interactive read aloud. So, we are going to make sure we listen to everything so we are totally ready for Jack and Annie's next adventure. And we know that they're going to maybe be traveling to the Caribbean and maybe they will see pirates. So, today we're going to learn about finding treasure. Pirates took valuable treasure from other ships. Sometimes they would hide what they stole on one of the many small islands in the Caribbean and come back for it once they thought they were safe. But there are thousands of small islands in the Caribbean. How did pirates find the right island when they wanted to pick up their treasure again? Do you have any predictions about tools or tricks the pirates might have used to find their treasure? The first thing a smart pirate would do is to draw a map showing where they left their treasure. When it was safe to go pick it up again, the map would guide them where to go. Maps show what places look like from above. It's the same view a bird would see looking down from the sky. Maps almost always have an arrow drawn on them like this, showing which direction on the map is north. North is a direction that stays the same no matter where you are on Earth. It's the direction towards the North Pole. On this pirate map, the dotted line shows the path the pirates should take to find where they hid the treasure. Since the arrow shows that north is toward the top of the map and the line on the map goes up, they would know to steer their ship to the north. Thanks to the arrow, the pirates could find north on the map. But how did the pirates know which direction was north when they looked out at the wide open ocean? The pirates had a tool to help them find north called a compass. Compasses are engineered to have a metal arrow that always spins north. Pretend you're at the ship's wheel. Look at the compass. How would you turn the wheel to steer north? So would you turn your wheel right or left? I think right. Once they knew which direction was north, the pirates could start sailing toward their treasure. Sailing masters were in charge of steering the ship. They had to keep checking their compass to make sure the wind hadn't pushed the ship in another direction. What if the pirates lost their compass? Did they have any other tricks to find north? Another way pirates could find north was with something they could only see at night, something up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Can you guess what's up in the sky that can be used to find north? Stars. One of the brightest stars in the sky is called the North Star. It always shines in the north. If the pirates could find the North Star, they could steer their ship in that direction and know they were going north. Once the pirates got close to the location on their map, they would look around to be sure there were no ships lurking nearby. They did not want anyone to follow them to find the treasure. Can you think of any tools that help us see things far away? The pirates could use a telescope. When people peer through a telescope, things look closer or bigger. Now the pirates could see the island better and check whether there were any ships nearby. The view through the telescope shows no other ships near the island with the treasure. The coast is clear. Once the pirates were near the island, they would drop their anchor to hold the ship in place. The crew would climb into rowboats and begin rowing to the shore. Can you pretend to row the rowboat? Use a pretend oar. The final step is to locate the treasure on the island. It might have been difficult for the pirates to remember where they'd hidden it months or even years ago. Luckily, this map shows exactly where on the island they hid their booty. X marks the spot. The pirates often buried their treasure under dirt or sand to keep it hidden. Even with a map, finding the right spot was not always easy. Can you think of a tool the pirates could have used to dig for buried treasure? Shovels are a good tool to dig in the sand or dirt. The bottom of a shovel is a simple machine. It's a wedge, pointy and sharp. If they found the right place on the map and no one else had found it first, the pirates would uncover their treasure chest. Inside, it was gold, money, and jewels, all stolen from other ships. Sometimes pirates weren't able to find their treasure again, or they might be arrested and put in jail, so they couldn't get back to it. Many people, even today, dream of finding an old pirate map and being able to locate foreign treasure. Imagine you find a pirate map and decide to go on a treasure hunt. What tool would you bring to help you find the treasure? What do you think you'd find? So, today when we meet, if you would want to think about this, think about what tool you would use to help you find your treasure. Remember, we learned about a compass, the North Star, the treasure map, a shovel, the telescope. So there's a lot of tools. Or you can always still choose to write about this. We have the glossary, the pirate, a compass, star, shovel, telescope, anchor, map, rowboat, and treasure chest. So remember, we have a half day today, so we are meeting at 9:55 instead of 10:35. I will see you back soon.